6.
If you have some philosophic objection to being immunized, you can file an exemption on that basis. And that number has gone up quite a bit in the last 10 years.
Objections are up and the number of vaccinations down, part of research being discussed in Fargo. Good evening, everyone, and thanks for joining us tonight. Andrea has the evening off. Some of that research looks into the impact that declining vaccinations can have on our community. Valley News Team's Cornelius Hawker has our story.
We have susceptible communities to outbreaks of disease, and we need to get that threshold back up.
Dr. Paul Carson is a professor in NDSU's Public Health Department. He's leading a study looking into the falling vaccination rates of students in North Dakota for diseases like measles and pertussis.
We have increasing numbers of people who are going through the motions to exempt their children from being immunized, to get around or get out of the school immunization requirements.
Carson says it's not a crisis yet, and the main reason the vaccination rates are falling have much to do with the population increase in western North Dakota.
Get to the doctor, parents to take the time off from work. We don't have people, a lot of those situations aren't where they're opposed to vaccination. It's just getting the job done.
We as parents in the developed world don't really see these diseases happen often enough to really be afraid of them.
Daniel Pinnick is a public health student. She says the conversation to vaccinate your child should happen with your child's pediatrician and not on social media, where information is sketchy at best.
I have colleagues that have practiced medicine in places like East Africa or the Asian subcontinent that say that are startled by the fact that we turn life-saving vaccines down.
When we get enough people immunized, a disease really can't get a foothold in the community. But when we start chipping away at that and chipping away at that and chipping away at that, we allow enough susceptible individuals in that the disease can get into a community and cause outbreaks. And we're there in North Dakota.
Cornelius Hawker, Valley News Live.
Carlson adds that enforcing the current vaccination laws would help stop the falling rates of vaccinations, but that's left up to school district. He points out to the Grand Forks public school system being one of the best in the state in staying on top of their students' vaccinations. Look for more on this story on valleynewslive.com and more events that are taking place at NDSU for Public Health Week.